The Huber Royal Diver is crafted from 316L stainless steel, the same surgical-grade material used in luxury watches. It's tough, scratch, and corrosion-resistant, and built to last a lifetime. The iron-plated bezel adds durability while giving it a bold, modern look. Measuring 40 millimeters wide and just 10 millimeters thick, the Royal Diver makes a statement without being oversized. And its slim profile ensures all-day comfort and an easy fit under any cuff. The front features sapphire glass, one of the hardest, most scratch-resistant materials in watchmaking, keeping the watch crystal clear for years. Beneath it, the dial's horizontal lines add depth and texture, while the crisp white model name gives refinement. A bold red design in the USA highlights its craftsmanship, completing a simple yet elegant design with character. At the heart of the Huber Royal Diver is its Japanese Miyota 8000 to 115 automatic movement. The same no-battery mechanical system is trusted by many well-known watch brands around the world. Unlike quartz, it's powered by your wrist or manual winding, so there are no batteries to replace. Just timeless watchmaking built to last generations. While most watches at this price point rely on quartz, the Royal Diver delivers the authenticity and value of a true automatic. Flip it over to admire the movement through the sapphire-protected exhibition case back, complete with laser-etched details, a perfect showcase of engineering, design, and craftsmanship. The Royal Diver is water-resistant up to 50 meters, 165 feet, making it ready for everyday life. From rain and hand-washing to a swim, while not built for pro diving, it's tough enough to handle whatever your day throws at it. The Huber Royal Diver blends rugged durability, sleek design, and proven reliability into one versatile timepiece. With sapphire glass, a 316L stainless steel case, and a Japanese automatic movement, every detail has purpose. Stylish for a night out, tough for daily wear, and priced to make luxury accessible. The Royal Diver is more than a watch. It's a must-have for any collection.